Iti te kupu.
Sorry, but I can't talk for long, but I just thought I'll ring you and say, love you, bro.
Nui te kōrero.
No. Just try to normalize it. Like, it's normal with me and my boys, me and my homies all say it.
No te taurua mano te kaumāiwa, matai o Brown e whakahaere ana I tana kaupapa a She's Not Your Rehab, hei tautoko I te taha hinengaro o te hunga tāne.
We wanted to normalize the conversation around men's mental health because it's such a stigma. A lot of men struggle to open up. You know, me being a barber for 20 years, talking to men has been the biggest privilege of my life.
Just want to let you know, brother, that I'm thinking about you and I love you, bro.
I'm just calling to say I love you.
Just ringing just to say I love you and I'm proud of you.
Ina nei, kua whakatūwheratia e ia, he kaupapa hou e kia nei, ko love you bro. He tono mo te hunga tāne, kia tia ki pai I a rātou anō.
And I figured, man, a lot of men don't really hear those words. I mean, I know for myself, I never heard those words growing up. And so it's powerful, you know, those 3 words, I love you.
Yo, G.
Sup, brother? I'm just calling you up just to tell you I love you. For guys, it's like, what kind of value do we add to our communities and to our friends, to society as a whole? And so when you hear love you, bro, you somewhat feel like what you've been doing in your day-to-day life is contributing. Got you.
I love you too, bro. It means a lot.
My man.
Hei tā te tuapapa hauora hinengaro mo ngā tatauranga ma te pūwhenua I Aotearoa, he nui ake te mōrearea ki ngā tāne ki te mate whakamomori. Kua kitea Caleb Wiki I tēnei mō nā no I ana hoa.
I moved back from Australia 2017 because 4 of my friends had committed suicide within like 5 or 6 weeks. My goal was to work in men's mental health.
Hei kaimahi o mua I te pakihi o Brown, my father's barber, e whakaaro ana Wiki, he mea nui te whakatūwhera ki ngā kiritaki.
Barbering is where men's mental health is. For me in the chair, when I've got my clients who I can clearly tell they're struggling, they're not going to be the ones to bring it up first. So I'll bring up something that is not shown to everyone else.
Hei whakatena tēnā I ngā tāne ki te kōrero, he wero tā Brown mo ngā tāne katoa ki te whai I te ono o Hepetema.
We are inviting all Tāne, schools, businesses, workplaces for the September the 6th to write love you bro, a big love you bro on their face anywhere. It's an invitation. We want to invite people to the conversation. So obviously when people see love you bro, what is that about? That means I love you.
Love you.
Love you too. Later, Bolt.
Heoi, ko te whāinga nui mā ngā kaupapa paipapuri nei, ka whakakaha I te taha hinengaro o te hunga tāne, puta noa I Aotearoa.
Got you, brother.
Hora kairangi Nicholas. Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.